get started, you'll need your cork board, some pins, the rings or clasps for your bracelet, a ruler, scissors and the cord for your bracelet. To begin, you want to put one of your pins into the board and then measure how long you need for your bracelet and then mark the other space at the other side on your board. Next, take one of your clasps and then add your cord. So the way I'm adding this one is just matching up the ends, threading them through the ring and then taking the centre. You want to loop that centre over the tail ends until it's attached to the ring, and then you can attach this to the bottom of your board. So just take the pin out and then reattach it with the ring like that, and then you can take your other ring and again you want to thread your cords through. And this time you want to attach this to the top here. Just remove the pin and then put it in with the pin over the clasp, like that. So once you've got your cords attached at both sides, you can take the cords that are free and you can begin the pattern depending on what pattern you're doing for your bracelet. So I've done a few different patterns, so I'll link a couple of those in the description depending on what you want to do next. But if you're just doing a basic square knot, you would go over and then over and through, and then you would complete by going under and then under and then over there and through, and just doing this until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it.